This is a garden kneeler and stool by Abco, and it's really great because it's foldable as well. It also comes with this tool bag where you can put your pruners as well as your trowel too. This is very lightweight and only weighs 6.7 pounds. And the seat measures 16 inches by 6 inches, and the whole kneeler measures 23 inches by 11 inches. This is great when you need to do gardening while sitting down so it doesn't hurt your back. This is a great bench to use while you're gardening, and the plants are more low to the ground. Very comfortable, and it also has this attached bag, which is removable as well. And you can also use this as a kneeler too. All you have to do is flip it over, and now you can garden while on your knees without getting grass stains on your knees or hurting your knees as well. And very easy to get up because it has these handles where you can easily lift up yourself. It has soft foam cushions and very durable metal material. This garden kneeler is strong enough to hold up to 300 pounds. This would also make a great gift for any gardening enthusiast. And this is also very easy to use and fold away. All you have to do is pull on this lever and fold it down like this, and pull on the lever on this side and fold it down like this. And look how compact this is now. Perfect to put in the side of your home or in your garage too. They've also given these bonus rubber gloves for gardening, and this one even has a claw to make it easier to dig in the dirt. I was sent these items from Abco Sport for my evaluation and to give my opinion, and I truly love it, and I think you will too. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.